Welcome, everyone. I'm very happy that we have nearly 30 people in this live session today. It is a live session which happens within the IDSA virtual expo, which would have happened during Hannover Messe. Unfortunately, we are not able to meet each other personally, but even though the last 2 weeks we had a lot of good meetings and a lot of good webinars and live sessions within these IDSA Virtual Expo. And today's session is also co-hosted and co-organized by two projects, by two European funded projects under the H2020, Horizon 2020 program. This is TRUST project, Trusted Secure Data Sharing Space, and the OpenDI project. Both started this year. And I'm very happy that we have three very reputed keynote speakers today. And I am warmly welcoming Alexandra Garaziani from University of Hannover. I am welcoming Christoph Lange, Head of Department at Fraunhofer FIT. And I am also warmly welcoming Benjamin Heidmann, also from Fraunhofer FIT, and he is at the same time technical coordinator of TRUST project. And Alexandra is the overall coordinator of TRUST project. And as it is written and announced in the title, Restoring Trust in Data Markets and Data Spaces, the Trusted Secure Data Sharing Space, this is our topic today. Data markets and data spaces are, as you might have witnessed, especially within the last, I would say, 1 or 1.5 years, under heavily discussion. And with the announcement and also the publication of the European data strategy in February this year, the discussion and also the work on data markets and data spaces is getting more important. It is not only a European issue, even though that our two projects today are funded by the European Commission. It is also an endeavor of many national governments and, of course, of many industries and companies and organizations from industry, but also from research to deal with this topic of data markets and data spaces. Today's session is focusing this topic, and we have 3 parts and 3 inputs. The first 15 minutes, Alexandra will present an overall summary on the TRUST project itself. And afterwards, we will focus on some topics and make a little bit a deep dive into certain TRUST topics on data markets and data spaces. This is done by each a short input by Christoph and Benjamin, and afterwards we will have enough time to discuss and to focus on the topics. So I think everything is clear, and I would ask Alexandra to start and also to share your screen with us